every year. I try to do this. Not if I don't have friends or family over, that's fine. I still do the same thing, and just for the cheer, for happiness, for a time and a moment of the year togetherness. The sorrel is almost ready, so I'll be fine. So then we put all that scallions in there. Give it a good toss. Like that. I may have to do some more tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see. So I'm going to do a little one again, just to show you guys. Okay, the sorrel is ready. I'm going to shut it off so it can cool down a bit, because we don't want to burn ourselves. And you see how we got the first juices out of those? Look at this. You wouldn't know. So if you know, you know. Okay. I am actually thirsty, so guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to do that. I'm going to add a little bit more water to this. I think I have cold water somewhere. But I'll sweeten it first. So this is my sorrel. So I'm going to sweeten that up. Sorrel takes a lot of sugar. Just stir it up a bit, like this. Reen said to send it to her address. Reen, I don't know, I have to think about it. So this is the sorrel, guys. I'm just going to sweeten that up a bit. I'm going to add some cold water because I'm going to drink that up. Let's see. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. What? This is the richest of the richest of the richest. I have another bottle somewhere. Make sure I have the right lid. Yeah. Whew. Sorrel. Sorrel. Who wants a bottle? $5 a pop. Who wants a bottle? $5. No tax. Free shipment. Let me know. Leave a comment. Comment sorrel. Look, I'm so hot though. Comment sorrel and I'll give you a bottle. Comment sorrel. And Food FAL sorrel. Yo, look at that. Bottled and yo, manarampin on my brother. That is so good. Wow. I don't know if they're gonna have any for tomorrow. Okay, so let's focus. Again, I'm gonna show you how I do it. Again, all of this, once I put it in the fridge, it gets cold, so the fat is gonna be scooped out, and then I have to rewarm it again.